Good morning, friends. Namaste, Jai Shri Ram. This is Rohit Shah from Kismet Connection. Today, I'm bringing you the tip especially for the stock market trader, people who deals in the stock markets on the regular basis. Then one of the remedy they can use is wear the watch with the green dial. The watch that this part is the green of the green dial, and have the number 12 written on it. The big number 12 can be 1, 2, or it can be in the Roman letters, but that is very important that the green dial and the number 12 should be the big in font size, and the strap can be of metal or leather. Do not use the plastic or the silicone based strap. Brand, buy something of a good brand. You don't want to wear the cheap brand, because whenever you wear or deal in the cheap things, then you always end up attracting the same level of things in your life. So if you want to attract high value or high end things, then you have to have your behavior tuned to that sort of things. So try this tip and do share your feedback. I'm sure you will see the more positive results in your trading. Thank you very much, friends. This is Rohit Shah from Kismet Connection.